It's so many reasons why I tried pop on veneers, okay? I am enthusiastic about my journey with pop on veneers. The first reason why I tried pop on veneers was morale, okay? And confidence is the second one. But I'm already confident, so I just wanted to beautify myself up. You know what I mean? So I tried pop on veneers, and the process is so easy. So when you get to the site, all you have to do is fill out your information, and they also have finance options. Yes, they work with you. This is an investment that you can make you feel so much better about yourself. If I can do it, you definitely can do it. Let me take you through the process, okay? You get your impression kit in 2 days after you fill out your information on poponveneers.com. And then you get the box and you're like, oh my goodness. And it doesn't take that long. Oh no, it doesn't take that long. It took me about almost an hour to finish my impressions. And then after you finish your impressions, you send it back. And guess what? You get it back in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. And this is what you get when you get it back in 2 weeks. So this is the actual little case. Isn't it so adorable, right? And so you open it and your veneers are inside. And then look at this. You get a mirror. Yes, you get a mirror. Okay, I can look at myself. Yes, I'm like that. So this is my smile before. And this is my smile afterwards. So you get the top and you get the bottom. These are the top and they pop in. Listen close. Yes, the bottom. And you have that smile you always wanted to have. So why don't you give Pop on Veneers a try? You are worth it and you deserve it. You can do it.